SOLIDWORKS CAM is a feature-based CAM system. It literally takes your design model, recognises holes, pockets, the perimeter, and generates toolpaths from those. And it's incorporated with every license of SOLIDWORKS on subscription. SOLIDWORKS CAM is great for new starters to metal machining. Its simple approach of recognising geometry from the design model, then creating an operation plan, and then calculating the toolpaths gives you a great guided approach when you're just starting. And these can be changed at any point in time if you wish to do so. SOLIDWORKS CAM also incorporates PMI data off the SOLIDWORKS model, so allows the designer to tell us exactly what we need to do in tolerancing or surface finish without the need of a 2D drawing or a paper drawing. And then from there, the SOLIDWORKS CAM takes the toolpaths, adjusts them to the mid limit of the tolerance, and gives us a great product straight away. SOLIDWORKS CAM makes generating toolpaths really easy. We recognise the features from the design model and then use a technology database to show how we would like to approach those, whether it be a roughing and a finishing pass, or potentially a drilling operation, for instance. The database can take into account material type, the width, the length, and the depth, as well as what feature has been recognised, to give you lots of customisation to how you want to approach lots of different scenarios while machining. SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard can produce 2.5 axis toolpaths, and this is incorporated into every version of SOLIDWORKS on subscription. The upgraded professional version can allow the user to use 5-axis positional toolpaths, as well as turning capability and the volume mill capability, which can reduce cycle time on toolpaths from up to 70%. If there's a need later down the line for more complex capability, such as mill turn or 5-axis simultaneous, this can be incorporated as well by using the full CAMWORKS suite, which uses the same post processes and technology database as used in SOLIDWORKS CAM.